Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, December 15th. This is David and we are taking a look at the S&P 500. Back here at the end of October, right, the index turned up from right above this Voodoo fireline. And we're now approaching what is a reasonable target, not to say that the move up is done, but a reasonable target in the form of this 4786 Voodoo tree line. Once you turn up from a fire line, tree line is a good next destination as long as you can find support on pullbacks above the snow lines in between. We did here and here. Now, more on this tree line in a minute, but before we do, I want to talk about something that we reviewed the week after that Friday turn up, right? Because it only took a week for this move to the upside to generate a Zweig Breadth Thrust signal. 5 trading days. Now, this is a signal that usually indicates the start of a long-term uptrend. It comes when this oscillator, which is based on nicey breadth, an oscillator that Marty Zweig, who the Zweig Breadth Thrust is named for, used, right? And when that can move from oversold, where it was here, to overbought, where it was here, in a period of 10 days or less, that generates a signal. As I said, this one generated within 5 days. That's if not the fastest I've ever seen, one of the fastest, or very close to it. And that told us, I'm not going to say that told us to expect a move up as fast as this one was, back up to this tree line area and just shy of an all-time high, but it did tell us to look for the start of a long-term trend. Now, this tree line is important, right? It is a plausible pausing spot on the way up, and one from which, if we're done the first start or the first portion of this advance, we could see a material pullback, if not a reversal. But the other thing that we'll dig into in a little more detail in the premium video is that support above this level will start to suggest that we're continuing more directly up so long as we stay above it. So pay attention to this 4786 level. We can give it a little room on either side. You know, you can certainly look at the important 4800 round number above it. And of course, 4818 is the absolute all-time high in the cash S&P 500. Those are important levels I'll be watching. I hope you found this useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.